In this video, we're going to review the fundamentals of VISI dimensioning and the ease of use for dimensions and labeling in the 2D data side and 3D data side. We will start with point-to-point dimensions. In the annotation dropdown, we're going to go ahead and select elements and create point-to-point dimensions. You will simply be able to select 2 points to get a dimension. In addition, picking between 2 vertical points, you'll see the dimension displays as horizontal. We will now select the elements environment, and within the elements environment, we'll go ahead and choose a hole. So if I pick the hole, you will see a diameter-based dimension. Within our options, you can change the style of that dimension to be an arrow-based dimension. You'll see it just switches to a radial dimension automatically. Using your shortcut keys at the bottom, I'm going to press the D key to be able to turn on and off symbols. Before placing the dimension, I can hit the following keys. I can hit the 0 key, the 1 key, the 2 key, and the 3 key, and the 4 key. These keys determine how many decimal places are available manually. The 3D equivalent is query distance. Like the point-to-point dimensions, I select between 2 points. I'm going to select the top right corner and the bottom left corner to get an exact dimension display. You'll see we can select Keep Results and then choose to display the X, Y, and Z if necessary. So when I go ahead and confirm, you will see the labels display, and when I rotate, if the labels are visible, they will show up. Now we'll review angular-based dimensioning. So I'm going to zoom in on an area that has an angle between 2 different lines. Under Annotation, I'll select Angular Dimension and pick between the 2 lines. When I move my cursor away from them, you will see the dimension display as such, and when I place it, it will confirm it. The 3D equivalent command to this is Query Angle. This command follows the same rules as the angular dimensions. So, the faces that I'm selecting here have to be coplanar to be able to create an angular dimension, but as you can see, if they are, you will see the dimension label similarly to query distance. Now we'll review datum-based dimensions. There are multiple commands that are referencing datum-based dimensions, from ordinate to extended dimension commands. So, in our first example, we're going to go ahead and go into the ordinate align command. Within this command, we'll go ahead and pick a datum. This corner right here will be my datum. I can choose whether the dimensions can be horizontal or vertical. And then from that 0 point, I can pick where my dimensions are going to be in reference to. So I'm picking where all my features are, and I'm determining where they're at based on that 0, 0 mark in the vertical direction. I can then use the extended circle dimension command. I will pick it that same point. I can give it a custom label name here, and I just choose a few specific circles for my ejector pins. When I confirm, you will see a table labeling all those ejector pins so you know where they're positioned at, their diameters, and any cam information labeled in the table.